Hello there, this is Craig Hain. My students call me Dr. Dell, and I want to tell you on this video about a wonderful thing that I've now created. It's called the Golden Rule Math books, and there's a series of them. This is the very first one I would recommend most people read. It's all about 21st century math students, and of course, mathematics today is one of the most important things that a child can learn for many, many reasons. It opened up so many career opportunities. And today, because of modern technologies and what has happened, there's things happening in math education today that were inconceivable even a few years ago, thanks to billions and billions of dollars worth of technologies now that can be applied to it. This is another one of the books. This is a book, Golden Rule Math for Struggling Math Students. And I'm going to tell you about how you can get these books and what they're all about in this video. And that's what this video is all about. Now, to do that, I'm going to share my screen with you. And first of all, my website is craighain.com. And there I have my story, my vita, a lot of free videos and an extensive library. Another book I wrote some time ago that you can read that's goes great into depth into all of this. But what I really decided to do was I want to make it very, very easy for anybody that's interested in math education at all to learn about it very quickly and easily. And so I've now created this Golden Rule Math book series, which explains how and why 21st century math education is amazingly different and much better, actually, than the old 20th century math education is still being taught in virtually all of our schools and all of our textbooks and all of that. And it's revolutionarily different. And I call it Golden Rule Math because it's the way I would want to be taught math today, knowing what I know, if someone were teaching me math. In other words, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And that's why I do that. Now, these Golden Rule Math books are very small and quick and easy to read. You can, and I'll show you in a minute how you can get them and so on. But on this, you go to the website, goldenrulemath.com, and there are three main reasons that every parent and every student should understand. And I invite you to go and read these reasons and think about them. And I think you'll agree with them. They need to know. Now, this is going to be a series of books. And we start out, the very first one I mentioned is a generic one for 21st century math students. This is sort of covers all the bases. Now, if you have a struggling math student, then I have a book aimed specifically at that. If you have a successful math student, that's wonderful. And how do you maintain their success? And indeed, what does success really mean? There's a book on that. If you happen to have a student interested in science and engineering, STEM, they say, then there's a book on that. And there'll be some other books coming forth too, but these are the main ones that I want you to know about. We have, because of 21st century technologies, we have an unbelievable special offer.